Well guys, we are on to our next video, and today's topic is going to be on restricted products. The way to check if a product is restricted or not is from, you have to go to google.com and you have to search restricted products on Amazon on the search bar, and as you scroll down, here comes the link, restricted products on Amazon. You have to click this first link, and as you can see, here comes a list of products that are restricted on Amazon, and you have to avoid these products at any cost. You have to double check if your products fits in one of these categories or not. I used to sell one of my products in this pesticides. Yeah, here's the one, pesticides and pesticides device category, and I had around 5,000 loss on that my first product. So you have to double check if your product has restriction or on it or not. So guys, this is the way to check a product restriction.